Hello, good people.
Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I have a little spring project, a little quick project that I want to get started on, and it's not going to take too long, but I want to bring you along with me. I'm going to put the camera down and show you just what I'm going to do. Hold tight. Alrighty, I got this little bird I got last year from the Dollar Tree, and it fell off the shelf outside and broke the little tail off. Poor little tink tink. I got these flowers, and then I got this hanging, I don't know what you want to call it, from a thrift shop in a bag for free. And it was wood, it is wood, and I spray painted it. I got it on the strings, but that's okay. I spray painted it, and I just want to make a little hanging to put outside on the tree or a hook or something. Just repurpose this and repurpose my little birdie. So I've got my glue gun heated up, I've got these flowers, and I'm just going to throw this together right quick and make something cute to go outside in the backyard, by the garden, or just on a tree, I don't know. So, I think first and foremost I need to find a spot for the bird, but I'm going to, let me put these in first. I'm going to fix his tail, and I'm going to put these peacock plumes in. But let me put a little paint on this white part that broke off, his tail that broke off. And I'm just going to put a little dab on here just to color that white blue. It's probably not the same blue, but it's close. I just need a little bit, just a little bit, and that's much too much, but I'm just going to spread it on here. I'm not going to get a paintbrush or nothing, just spread it on there, cover that white up. Just like that. Good enough. I think I'm going to blot it, so to dry quick, I just need it colored. I just didn't want that white on there. And then what I'm going to do is stick these plumes in here, these peacock little decorations. It's going to be his tail. But I want to stick them in first so I can see how I'm going to position him on this board. I want to push him in as far as I can. I don't know if I'm going to use one or two. Bring that camera down some. That's one in there, and that's as far as I can get it. Let me see if I can stick this other one in. I think these are really, really pretty. And peacock is one of my favorite birds because it's beautiful colors. I don't think I can get this one in here. Nope, so we're just going to be using one, which is okay. So I guess as big as this tail is, I'm going to stick it out this way. Let's see. You know, I might can glue the other one underneath. I did want both of them. I don't have to have both of them. Okay, so position him in the middle. Like that should be good, I guess. And then I'm just going to hot glue him down. I'm going to actually put some permanent glue on here along with the hot glue, because the hot glue outside in the heat, it might slip and slide. It might get too hot and come off. So I'm going to put some permanent glue as well. And I'm using this heavy duty liquid fusion. Put that on the inside, kind of, sort of here. And then I'll take the glue gun so that I get, it'll stick immediately and go around the outside of that glue. Alright, let's see, I kind of want to cock to the side a little bit. Okay, so far. Now, I'm just going to randomly stick these flowers around, see how they're going to stick. I got some yellow, green, white, some vine. Let's see. I don't know. I think I'm going to place them and then glue them. See what they look like first. But what I need to do is bring the string up around here so I know where to place them. So let's get this up in position so I can see. I really want to cover this tail more. I don't know how I'm going to do this. So I see it needs to be a little fuller, and I brought out some more flour. So basically I'm just gluing the flowers all underneath the bird, and I was able to put both of those feathers on for his tail, and I just need to fill it out. Fill it out all the way around. So let me continue and see what we come up with. know, what you think? I think it'll be pretty hanging up. Like a little bird's nest. I was going to put purple in here, but then I'm going to cover the bird too much if I do. Let me just see. I'm just going to stick a few in here just to see if it'll bring it out a little bit. I don't want to cover the bird too much. I can stick them in here randomly and see what it looks like. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. What y'all think? Is that purple okay in there? Kind of goes with the lavender. I don't know if it really looks like a bird. Does it look like a bird in there? So this is the bird and this is his tail. And I was trying to cover the broken piece, so that's why I put all this in here. But I think I'm gonna be done. It's cute. It's prettier than it was. And I'm just gonna hang it up outside somewhere. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you think. Tell me, should I leave that purple in? These purple ones, or take them out? Because they're not glued right now. But toodles, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, please, and let me know what you think. Peace and hugs. It looks a lot better. It's very windy out here today. Oh, it's taking a spin. But you get to see the 3D. The 360 rather. Oh, that's too fast. It is very windy. What you think? What you think? It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute hanging there. I kind of like it. I didn't at first. I like the peacock feathers. Tell me what you think. For real now, for real. Just doing something, y'all. Just doing something. Please hit that like button, leave me a comment, and the bell notification for future videos. Thank you much. Peace and love.